Everyone thinks the best-selling battery replacement tools are the ones to grab. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Yakroter Battery Current Sensor. At $28.99, this product caught my eye because it claims to offer real-time monitoring of your battery's charge and discharge. If you want to keep your battery healthy and functioning, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This sensor continually measures the current flowing in and out of your battery, relaying that info directly to your vehicle's electronic control unit, ECU. This means you can catch potential issues before they become a headache, ensuring your battery performance stays optimal. Plus, it fits several Honda and Acura models from 2012 to 2016, which is super convenient. With over 100 sold in just the past month, it seems like others are finding it useful too. Now, some people complained about its installation being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable with basic car maintenance, you'll likely find it manageable. But if you're not, it might be a bit frustrating to install. This is perfect for you if you're proactive about battery health and enjoy DIY projects. Skip this one if you prefer a plug-and-play experience without any fuss. Now, if the Yakroter's installation concern bothers you, this next one might take a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Yuan-Tuo 9-volt battery-powered memory saver. We have the Yuan-Tuo 9-volt battery-powered memory saver, priced at $16.79. This caught my attention because it claims to preserve your vehicle's settings during battery changes. If you want to avoid the hassle of resetting your car's systems, give this a serious look. Here's why this matters. When you disconnect your battery, all the settings for your radio, clock, and other electronics can be lost. This memory saver connects directly to your OBD2 port, ensuring everything stays intact while you swap out the battery. Easy installation means you just need to connect a 9-volt battery and plug it in. It's that straightforward. It's gained traction lately, with over 100 sold recently, which shows it's resonating with drivers. But I'll be real with you, some buyers mentioned that it doesn't come with the required 9-volt battery. That's a bit of a letdown, but honestly, it's just a minor additional cost and something you can easily find at any store. This is perfect for you if you want to save time and keep your vehicle's settings intact during battery changes. Skip this one if you rarely change your battery or prefer not to deal with the extra step. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want an easy installation.
Product number 3, EDS 926607 Positive Battery Terminal. We have the EDS 926607 Positive Battery Terminal. This replacement caught my eye because it promises to provide a secure electrical connection. If you're dealing with corrosion or poor conductivity, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters. The terminal is built with C26000 copper alloy and is tin-plated for durability. This means better conductivity and less risk of electrical resistance, which is crucial for your vehicle's power needs. It's designed to fit a variety of Honda and Acura models, making it a versatile option. With 50+ units sold recently, it seems like it's gaining traction among Honda owners. However, some users reported that it can be a bit difficult to fit on certain models. Here's the thing, if your car has been well maintained, you shouldn't have major issues. But if you've got an older model with corrosion, be prepared for some extra effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking to replace old corroded terminals and want a long-lasting solution. Skip this one if you have a newer model that doesn't need replacing yet. Now, if fitting terminals with some effort doesn't sound appealing to you, the next product might be more up your alley.
Product number 4, Jukel USB-powered memory saver. Let's take a look at the Jukel USB-powered memory saver, priced at $12.99. This product intrigued me because it offers a unique way to keep your settings intact during a battery swap. If you're looking for something that's easy to use, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters. It connects to a USB power supply, ensuring that your car's memory remains protected during a battery change. This eliminates the need for any complicated setups. Plus, it includes a buzzer and indicators to warn you if the power is low, which is incredibly handy. This is a fairly new product, yet it's already made a decent impact with over 50 units sold recently. But some users mentioned that it might not be as reliable with older vehicles. I get it, if your car is from the late 90s or early 2000s, compatibility might be hit or miss. Still, it's a great option for most modern vehicles.
This is perfect for you if you want a simple and reliable way to keep your settings intact during battery changes. Skip this one if your vehicle is older and you're unsure about compatibility. Alright, that was a solid choice, but the next one on my list is a must-have for anyone serious about diagnostics. Product number 5, OBDM-Mate OM707 OBD2 Scanner at $109.99. This caught my attention because it's designed specifically for Honda and Acura models. If you're someone who wants to diagnose your car's issues without going to a mechanic, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters. The OM707 can read and erase fault codes and provides access to all control modules. This means you can troubleshoot a variety of issues yourself, saving you both time and money. Plus, it includes 15 reset services for things like oil change resets and ABS bleeding, which could save you a trip to the dealer. With no subscriptions and lifetime updates, it offers fantastic value for the price. However, some users reported that the interface could be a bit overwhelming for beginners. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to invest a little time in learning, this scanner can really empower you to manage your vehicle's health. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive tool for diagnosing and maintaining your Honda or Acura. Skip this one if you're not comfortable using tech or prefer to leave repairs to professionals.
In conclusion, we covered some great tools today, from the U-Rotor battery sensor for proactive monitoring, the U-on-2 memory saver for easy battery swaps, the EDS terminal for durable connections, the Juaquel memory saver for USB convenience, to the OBD-M8 scanner for detailed diagnostics. Each has its strengths and is suited for different needs.